Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use FacePlay app. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open FacePlay app and then you need to select any random video. I'm going to select the main one and I'm going to select this video. So now I'm going to change the how I create video in this. So first you need to click on start making. So first I need to click on free because I do not want to pay this app. So I am going to try this by clicking on free, and here you can see an ad. Once ad is completed, you will get rewards. Then you need to click on this cross at the top right corner, at the top right. Then you can see that the video is making and the video is producing now in the background. You need to wait few seconds and then the video will be created. It will take few seconds to create the video. So you can see that the video is now created and I am going to show you the video. So this is the video that is created. So you can see that my face is put in that video. And if you want to download, then you need to click on save. You can also share on Instagram, TikTok and WhatsApp. Then you need to click on save and your video is exporting in your smartphone. So by following these steps, you can easily use Face app. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.